Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Boracay Airport in Caticlan.
Hi friends! Welcome to another travel vlog. In this episode, let me take you to Boracay, Philippines. Our third day in Boracay was full of exciting activities. From Station 1, we rode a speedboat to Diamond Water Sports Station. Note that speedboat ride may be very bumpy, so brace yourself for a mini adventure. Few minutes after our arrival, we already prepared for our first activity. Banana boat ride is a speed-induced water activity which involves towing of an inflatable banana-shaped boat through and against the water current. Goggles are not required but are strongly recommended. As you can very much see, we all had a fun 15-minute banana boat ride. As for our second activity, I'm not so sure. UFO boat ride works just the same as banana boating, but the experience is extremely different. Every little bump and every little splash felt like giant punches to the whole body. There were manageable waves during the 15-minute ride, yes. But overall, it was an exciting, exhausting, but definitely an unforgettable ride. If you're gonna try this activity, ensure to have strong grip so as not to fall out of the UFO boat. For our last activity, we did parasailing. From Diamond Water Sports Station, we rode a boat and spent some time therein while waiting for our turn. The waiting time, along with big and deep waves, may cause motion sickness, so bring essential oils or medicines for emergency. Parasailing is a recreational activity which involves towing of passengers through the air while attached to a parachute-like sail. Although this activity is a little expensive, it's definitely something you're gonna be proud of doing. Thanks for watching!
Iba na.
Pag ito nahulog.
Malag na. Parang pagod na kayo. Patong na yung kwento. Tapos sabi ko, guys, parang kapayo lang yan. Sabayan nyo.
Kuya, ang saya.
Sulit ang 1.5.
Ang ganda. Ang ganda.
Oh, gusto ko lang mag-relax. Ay, ang saya-saya. Sulit ko.
Oo, sulit. Mag-wish tayo. Kaya,
Parang ano tayo, lumilipad lang.
80 meters? Ang saya.
Ang saya.
Ay, nagsasaya. Oh, pinasaya tayo, no?
Ang saya. Layo na natin, oh. Ang saya.
A few moments later.
Nasusuka na ako. Sarap lang. Ayan, nawala na yung ano, suka. Ba't ako nag-burp? Ano ba yan? Nahilo na.
Pero kaya mo ba? Chat ko na ba?
Wag. Sa baba, nahilo na ako kanina pa. Nahilo na ako, Sel.
OMG! Sige, sige. Hindi na ako magsasalita.
Suka na ako. Ay, nawawala ulit.
At ako.
Ano, nautot din ako. Hindi na ako nag-burp ng burp. Hindi ko sure kung suka o burp lang. Pero parang burp lang.
Kaya mo pa? Ayan na, pababa na ata tayo.
Ayan, wala na ang hilong na.
Nawala yung hilo ng pababa.
Dapat tayo ulit, no?
Kunyari, di kami nahihilo.
Ano kami?
Okay kami, muntik na kami subukan.
Papapalit.